Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So the first number I want to look at is this massive number 336 because there's very few combinations of three numbers that are going to get me to 336. But in particular, there's only one combination if we're using each number only once of three numbers from 1 through 9 that are going to get me to 336. That's actually 6 times 7 times 8. 6 times 7 is 42. 8 times 42 is 320 plus 16, which is indeed 336. Now, the question is, where do each of these values go? Well, right off the bat, I see multiplication and division occurring there, and then we're getting to a multiple of 7. That means I need a 7 here. And the question is, where does 6 and 8 go? Well, 6 and 8 are both actually factors of 24. So I'm not sure from this column, but for this one, I see 59. Close to 54, I'm going to take a crack at it, and I'm going to say we're going to place a 6 here because 6 times 9 is 54. But again, if this is incorrect, we'll just reset and we'll switch the 6 and the 8. Now, based on this assumption, let's go forward. We've got 8 times what divided by what is 24. So one possibility could be 8 times 6 divided by 2. But again, 6 is already used. That's not going to work. What about 8 times 3? That's 24 on the money. And if we're going that route, we know that 1 has to go here. Now let's look at 59. Again, we said it's going to be 6 times 9, which is 54, and we're only 5 away, so that means we're going to need a 5 right here, assuming this is correct. Now we only have two numbers left, 2 and 4. So how do we get to 14? Well, 7 times 2 is 14 divided by 4. That's not going to do it. But if we go 4 here and 2 here, that's going to make it work. So now just to double check everything one more time, we already know 6 times 7 times 8 is 336. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 3 is 16. 5 minus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Top to bottom, 54 plus 5 is 59. 7 times 4 is 28 divided by 2 is 14. Last but not least, 8 times 3 divided by 1 is 24. That's how you do it. Done.